What's up, guys? Welcome to Money Talk, the number one news source, the number one information source, and the number one entertainment source for everything and anything regarding the stock market and the financial world. 3-in-1, baby. 3-in-1. Alright? So today, we're going to be talking about what the hell's going on in the market. Alright? Why is it so red? What is going on? But more specifically, we're going to be talking about bananas, inflation, Brazil, orange juice, and how the ceiling can't hold us. Alright? So, without further ado, before we get started, if you're watching this video on anything on the YouTube app, there's going to be a button up there that says go on app, press on app, open up, whatever it says. Press on that. It'll take you directly to the YouTube app. Make the audio better, the video better. Your complete Money Talk experience a whole lot better. Alright, so just do that one for me. Thank you. Now that you've done that, let's get this video on the market started. What the hell is going on, and why is the market so goddamn red today? What is happening? Well, a whole lot of FUD, alright, which is fear, uncertainty, and doubt going on in the market right now, since a whole lot of things is going on at the same time, whole lot of mayhem, whole lot of decision making going on. Is there going to be inflation? Is there not going to be inflation? Orange juice prices going up. Oh my god, soy prices, blah blah blah. Oh my god, debt ceiling, debt, oh no, we can't have more money, the US is going broke, blah 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 blah. Alright, but let's break this down. Okay, so piece at piece, one at a time, right? So if you've been anywhere, you know that inflation is here, right? If you've been anywhere, literally, to the club, to the grocery store, to the freaking just sleeping. If you just been sleeping, your rent probably costs more now, okay? So you know that inflation is amongst us, but people expect that inflation to be gone or at least start to fade away by this time now. But however, Jerome Powell came out a month ago or something like that, and he was like, look guys, it's going to take longer, right? It's going to take longer, but we're going to handle it, right? But now we're getting a whole lot of supply shortages from Brazil, right? This is where the orange juice comes in, right? Considering that Brazil was hit by a drought earlier this year and now a snow frost or a frost storm or whatever it's called, right, guys? This is a finance channel, not a climate channel, all right? So I'm sorry if I'm getting these vocab wrong, but anyways, and a whole lot of things that we have in the US. Well, I'm from Canada, but the US, you guys have, comes from Brazil, right? For example, soy, coffee, orange juice, I forgot what else, bananas, yeah, bananas. Now, on the other hand, the yield prices are going up, all right? Now, what the hell does the yield prices have to do with anything? Well, when the yield prices go up, that means that the yield rates rather, when the yield rates go up, that means that people are scared of inflation and people think that the money that they're holding is going to lose value. And when the yield prices go up, or the 10-year, I think it's the 10-year, I'm pretty sure the 10-year yield goes up, that's when we see a whole lot of sell-off in the stock market because of uncertainty regarding inflation. In other news, the US is going broke. That's right, the US is going broke, apparently. All right, apparently that's if they don't decide to print more money from this pocket and then take it and put it in this pocket, as they have had in the past like 400 years. All right, every single time we've hit a debt ceiling, the ceiling can't hold us. All right, the ceiling can't hold us. And the ceiling can't hold us. Come on. Anyways, the ceiling can't hold us. All right. So every single time, what is the debt ceiling? First, let's discuss what is the debt ceiling. Well, the debt ceiling is a hypothetical ceiling that's put in place, right? And they're like, okay, so we can't borrow more than this amount. All right, guys, we can't borrow more than this amount. And then every year when they hit that, well, not every year, but every single time that they hit that ceiling, they're like, let's just move the ceiling a little bit higher. I mean, let's just move the ceiling until the next crew gets in Congress and they have to deal with this. Let's just keep raising it. Like, who cares? And the truth is that they need to raise it, because if they don't raise it, we go into a mode that is called sovereign default. Now, here's this old white lady explaining why this is very bad for the stock market.
It would mean massive disruption the world over, and we would be at risk of tipping yet again into recession.
Oof, sounds scary, doesn't it? Now, what happens to the stock market when investors are scared? Well, it goes down, okay? It goes down because every time there's any uncertainty in the market, people are like, it must be red, it must be crashing. If I don't know something, then it must be crashing, right? And that's just how the stock market works, right? And as a good investor and as a good trader, it's good to kind of pick out these flaws, right? Pick out these mental flaws in the market and kind of use them in a way that benefits you. Now, Another reason why this is happening, another reason why the market's so red is because of videos like this, right? Like this. Market's crashing, the market's falling, blah, 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 blah. And it's just a whole lot of spreading of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, right? And all you need to look at is this chart. This chart tells it all. It says it all. I mean, where's it going? Where has it gone for like the past 15 years? Where is it headed? Where does it look like it's headed? It's going up. It's going up, guys, okay? So this too shall pass. Now, inflation is real, okay? Inflation is real, but personally, I believe that we're going to get through the inflation phase, and it's going to take some time, right? It's going to take some time, maybe 2021. Well, this is 21. I meant 2023. That's what I meant. Maybe 2023, right? By then, there will be no more inflation talk, right? Once we've completely beat COVID and the supply chains are back on road and everything's going smooth as always, right? There will be no more talks of inflation, right? Of course, inflation is going to stay up a little bit, right? But over the long period of time, just like the curve that we had for COVID, if you guys remember, flatten the curve, right? We're going to get the same curve for inflation. It's going to have its bumps, right? And then it's going to be flat for a very long time, right? I mean, a little bit up. It's still going to be a little bit up, but basically flat, right? Now, I want to talk to you guys about Michael Burry, okay? I want to talk to you guys about Michael Burry and why, just what he's talking about, what he's saying and everything, okay? But before we get started on that, I need to talk to you guys about something, okay? Because you know, as I know, being a profitable investor and a trader is all about having an edge over others in the market, okay? Knowing something they don't. But what if I told you there was a way you could know exactly what stocks others in the stock market were thinking about and were excited about? What am I talking about? Well, at Money Talk, guys, we built an algorithm that detects the most discussed stocks, the top 3 most discussed stocks on Wall Street Bets. What the hell is Wall Street Bets? With over 10.8 million community members, guys, this is the biggest community and the number one spot for all stock market discussions. Now, I know this is kind of for the younger generation, right? Reddit and etc. is for the younger generation, but it's still the biggest place for stock market conversation amongst retail traders, right? It has 10.8 million community members, around 1 mil, give or take, everyday active users, right? Now, I know it's hard for a lot of people to navigate Reddit and go ahead and make Reddit. That's why we made this algorithm, guys, right? Which detects the top 3 most discussed stocks on Wall Street Bets every single night, and we give that to our Patreons every single night, guys. Okay, other than obviously Fridays and then Saturdays, right? Because who cares what the hell is going on the day after, okay? So we give that to you guys for $8 a month, okay? So for $8 a month, you guys get exclusive insights on what other investors are thinking about and what other investors are doing, investor behavior in general, for only $8 a month on a daily basis, right? I mean, worth the price if you ask me. And the rate of returning patrons that we've had shows you that this is also worth the price. So check out the Patreon, guys, link down below. It also helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for all the Patreons that have joined in the past. I think we are at almost 100 Patreons now, right? So thank you so much, everyone, for honestly helping me, you know. Thank you. And I'm so happy to hear the feedback from the algorithm. People saying, oh my God, like, I mean, we've had a whole lot of breakouts that we've called out, right? And that's, I love those days. I love those days where I see a stock get mentioned a lot, and then the next day the stock gets short squeezed by like 50% or like 30% or something crazy like that, right? So check out the Patreon, guys. It's the link down below, and it's also the first link in the comments. So if you press on the comment section, you will see the comment section. Now, let's talk about the weirdo himself, right? Oh my God, I hate this guy. I hate Michael Burry, all right? I hate Michael Burry, and Christian Bale is one of my favorite actors. I mean, do you understand how upset I was watching The Big Short? Do you understand having one of my favorite actors play someone that I hate? Okay, and let me tell you why I hate this guy. I hate this guy because I think he's the most overrated investor of all time. That's right, even more overrated than our boy Warren Buffett, right? Or Buffet, or All You Can Eat, Mr. All You Can Eat, all right? So why do I say this? Well, that's because this guy is known for The Big Short, right? He's known for calling the stock market crash and seeing the stock market crash. But the truth is, this guy has called out 30 of the last one market crashes. I mean, every single week I hear this guy talking about the bubble is bursting, the bubble, bubble. No, Michael, no. What bubble? What? Where is this bubble? Why is everything a bubble to you? Jesus Christ! Like and that's the thing, right? It's like I can come here every day and tell you guys the stock market's going to crash. Stock market's going to crash. Stock market's going to crash today. The stock market's going to crash today. The stock market's going to crash. And eventually, I'll be right. I will be right. Now, I know people love Michael Berry, and this video is probably going to get a whole lot of thumbs downs. But honestly, guys, right, thank you. That was for Michael Berry, okay? And I wanna hear from you guys. I wanna hear from you guys what you guys think is happening in the market as well, right? The inflation scares and etc. How long is this going to last, and a whole lot more from you guys, right? I wanna just write down your name. Let me know anything in the comments, really, right? I love talking to the people in the comment section. Now, with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, right? Stay a while, and also have a very, very nice day. Thank you for watching.